Hey there. Hi. Welcome, friends, fans.
Haters.
You are looking at COPIC Marker's brand new affiliate creator artist. So for my first assignment, I have been tasked with an unboxing. Okay, let us rip this bad boy open. Okay. Also, if you see my fingers, don't judge me. I was messing with some inks earlier and I got ink all over my fingers. Okay. Y'all have not opened this box before. I'm really excited. You ready?
NANI?
Ooh, let's reopen that. Okay. Got some sensitive documents in there. You ready? Okay, we're gonna start that again. Ready? There we go. Okay. This is cute. Oh, right. I kind of, look at this. They've got like customization on the actual box itself. You better go on, COPIC. Okay. All right. So here is the main shebang. So this is the COPIC acrylic markers. Flawless in use. Fully opaque on any surface. So what I've been told about these markers is that they are water resistant. They are light fast, super opaque, and you can use them to draw on different surfaces. I was struggling to open this box. It's one of those magnet things. Anyway, I'm nervous, y'all. Look how fancy this freaking box is. Like, this is so fancy. But anywho, here we go. Okay, so here's all that we need to know about the acrylic markers. Okay, look at this. I get the official welcome. Greetums. Oh my God, y'all. There's gonna be so many flub ups in this video. I'm so frustrated. Setting up has been crazy, and now that I'm finally able to film, I can't speak. That's incredible. Okay, greetings from the COPIC USA family. Thanks for being a part of our COPIC acrylic launch.
This is our first new marker since 1998, and this is a water-based paint marker inspired by the fusion of aqua and creation. Originally launched in Japan in June 2024.
Can't wait to see what you'll create. Thank you, COPIC. I appreciate that. This is super cool. Yeah, that was the majority of what I got from these markers. They've also been doing, this launch for a little while now, and I was creeping on their Instagram, and I saw some of the stuff that the other artists were creating with their markers, and I was like, oh, this is very fancy. This is cool. So they have sent over the 24 markers. So there are 6 markers in each pack. Wow, they blessed your girl. Wow, you've got the vivid, you've got the deep, the essentials. I like this color palette. I'm not gonna hold you. I do like this color palette here. And then you have the light.
We only go in the dark though.
But we'll still find a use for these. And they've also sent over, excellent. Ooh, they sent over some fancy coasters. And a mason jar. Ooh, I wonder what I could do with this mason jar. I freaking love mason jars. And I like new smells. I like mason jars. I don't know if I would use this to drink out of, or if I would use this to like keep pins and supplies in, or what I would use this for. I'm not gonna hold you, but I do love a mason jar, and I love a good coaster. And these are like not cheap coasters. You better go on Copic. You better go on. Oh, what am I gonna make? I don't know, you guys. Let's see. Pop this over here. Ooh, my blade is still on. Turn that off. Turn that off. All right, let's see. What can we create? I'm gonna figure out what to make, and then I will be right back. I'm really digging the essentials, but I feel like I can mix it up just a little bit. Let me put this away. Ooh, we're gonna figure something out, and then we're gonna get to it. Okay, I actually took a break. I took a break and I went to go get a little bit of something to eat because it's a little late. And I decided that I'm actually not gonna work on any of these guys on camera. So I decided to actually work on a Krampus that I drew. I just did a quick sketch. It's not even like fully done in. Just wanted to get the main details down. And I think I'm gonna try doing that. So yeah, let's get started. I forgot. I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't really know much about like the Krampus mythology, or not mythology, or like folklore, but it is almost Christmas time. So I was like, okay, how about making a Krampus? I've never drawn a Krampus before. I'm kind of looking forward to this actually. We're in Vivid. Let's grab, if I can get this open. Oh, not me ripping the packaging already. Let's grab the tomato red. I feel like there's a peachy color that's in this one. Oh yeah. Oh no, custard, coral pink. I don't need a coral pink, but I will take it out anyway. I will definitely need this like gray and black. I'm trying really hard not to rip this. Okay. Okay. There's like a gray blue. What color was that? Oh no, that's silver. Cool gray, rich black. That's what we're looking for. Cool gray, rich black. And I will take this mustardy. This is gold. Oh, I really like the essentials. Super good. This open. Oh, maybe a yellow basket. I don't know if I need anything from here. Maybe red blue. Keep this on auxiliary for now. There was, what other color was I thinking of? Oh, green. Get out of green. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you. I did not plan the color palette for this guy, so you know, let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna jump in. I'll see you on the other side. Okay.
Hours later.
Okay, I am back. I have left this video twice to come back. I had to peel off the plastic on the markers, and I had to prep the markers. So I had to test my supplies, and now I'm back. Okay, so now we can get into this Krampus. I did not think about a color scheme. I'm not gonna hold you. So I hope this works out. Let's get started. And that was my first unboxing as an official Copic marker affiliate creator. It just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? It's just sounds so good. But thank you so much, Copic, for sending over this gift, and thank you guys so much for getting to the end of the video. What did you think? Did I nail it? You know, this is my first unboxing with the official. I'm getting up there. Comment down below. Tell me what you thought. Like the video if you liked it, and please share it with another artist friend. And yeah, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace.